For classic car restoration, trust the experts at DMC Custom Vehicles.
Our slogan is old school, new tech.
We take that old school classic car and use new technology for brake systems, suspensions, digital dash upgrades, things that make them more enjoyable and make them handle just like a modern car. No job is too big or too small for us. We do every phase of a restoration, like our award-winning custom paint, custom interiors, and custom engine work.
We do a lot of work that other shops don't want to do, like rust repair, and we're good at it. A lot of people have these classic cars sitting in their garage and they need help. We can help you. We can finish that car for you and get it on the road. Guys take these cars to shops and they sit there forever. We get the job done. Hi, this is Dave Mock. I started this company in 1975. Go to our website at dmcvehicles.com and see jobs in progress and completed jobs and see the whole range of what we do.
Old school, new tech. DMC Custom Vehicles. Online at dmcvehicles.com.